Hey, have you noticed that it's like every corporation is breaking some form of some full letter of the law? Or all of these municipalities are blatantly in violation of constitutional provisions? Or you've noticed that there are certain acts of Congress that are unconstitutional? Or there are certain requirements and regulations by FinCEN that are unconstitutional, or maybe there's unconstitutionally applied statutes, or there are, corporations that are taking way too much personally identifiable information because we need to identify who our customers are, right? And so we need to gather all of the necessary information in order to perform identity theft. You don't need that, and you don't need that, and I know you don't need that, and whatever. So I got overwhelmed because it seemed to me that everything that I am allowed to interact with in our satanic necromancy commercial corporate, world of commerce is a form of breaking the law at my expense, right? And so it seemed that everything that I can possibly interact with deserves and needs to be sued. And so that's a problem. But I can't sue absolutely everything and everyone, right? So, but what I can do is I can teach a large amount of people at the same time, and we could, as a fleet, as a unified force, as a people who are standing united, we could all sue the same entity at the same time for millions of dollars each. And so we could all realistically create by force one of the greatest wealth transfers that the world's ever really seen. And we could do it all at the same time. And it wouldn't be frivolous lawsuits because it would be based on truth, right? And so we could leverage the truth and go into a federal venue and sue the same corporation at the same time. And then y'all could learn how to do it and teach your own neighborhoods. And then everybody could do the same thing to their own municipalities. And then their own very corrupt, these corporations, right? Like, there's one that rhymes with sexist, lexless, and it requires that they perform identity theft just to access an account bearing all of one's personally identifiable information. So in order to even just access the account, you got to give them everything that is required to do identity theft. It's ridiculous. Okay, and so we should probably do something about it. And I got really depressed and sad, which is why you haven't probably seen a lot of me. But I realized I can't sue everybody. But I can teach people, and we can all learn, and we can all act as like a unified legal phalanx, like 300 Spartans. And we could just like a crypto pump and dump group where they're like, buy. Okay, sell. We could all file, right? And they wouldn't be frivolous because it would be based on truth and fact. And we could all enhance each other's own legal process. So we should create a community to do this. What do you think? We could stand united by filing federal cases against those very deserving, corrupt corporate entities that deserve to have, things taken away from them. And then we can strip the power from Wall Street and return it to Main Street. Bring back ma and pop shops. Make our own communities great again. Make America great again. Let me know what you think.